Yes, Dariush is a very unique property.
Det må man nok sige. Direktøren skal lige have lov til at sige det en gang til.
Dariush is certainly unique visually.
Mon ikke. 1001 nat i en persisk overflod er ikke ligefrem det, Napa Valley er mest kendt for. Ejeren Darius Khaledi stammer fra Iran og har samlet på Bordeaux-vine de sidste 40 år. Det er ejerens indgang til disse Bordeaux-vine, som gør stedet her specielt. Khaledi grundlagde sin vingård i 1997, ikke blot for sig selv, men for vinelskere fra hele verden.
The world is a very small place, and I think when you make a wine that makes an important statement, that has a style, that has personality, there are people around the world who can discover that, and I don't need to sell a lot of wine to Denmark, but whether there's 10 or 20 or 100 people that want to collect Dariush, I want my wines to go to people who are curious and who would value what we stand for.
Det er denne tankegang, som møder alle, der går igennem dørene her hos Darius. Et besøg her er en speciel oplevelse, der ligesom vinen herfra er bedst, når den bliver delt med andre.
His love of wine is a love of friendship, and that we don't drink wine alone, we always drink it with our friends. And our commitment to service is very much about hosting and providing that experience to wine collectors from around the world. And hospitality is part of this business. It's an integral part of wine and food and a good life.
Darius ligger i den sydlige del af Napa Valley, som er kendt for hvidvine og ikke rødvine, på grund af et mere køligt klima for togbankerne fra San Francisco-bugten. Denne lidt kølige rødvinsprofil lægger sig mere op mod fransk Bordeaux.
Our philosophy is that Napa Valley has all of the sun and the ripeness to make big, saturated, delicious wines, and this is what Napa is famous for. However, Dariush likes to have a little bit more sophistication, depth, and complexity to the wines that he collects, and he wants his own wines to reflect that.
Nu laver han ikke mange af dem. Blot 8.000 kasser årligt bliver det til på vingårdens 100 acre. Foruden Cabernet Sauvignon gror Darius også Cab Franc og Merlot, som begge er en væsentlig bestanddel i det færdige mix, som udgør en Darius Cabernet. Med så lav en produktion og ekstremt højt kvalitetsniveau på smags- og oplevelsessiden, kan det kun lykkes, fordi ejeren kører Darius som en meget dyr hobby, hvor afkastet kun aflæses i smagen og respekten.
It's harder to make a great wine because it takes a lot of capital, and it's harder to make a great wine with a personality and distinction. However, it's much easier to sell it when your wines make sense when they're in the glass. In 10 years, I would not hope that we are necessarily twice as large, but I think that we should be twice as respected.